Something happens when students join the EduFocal family. They thrive. Welcome to EduFocal, Jamaica's leading online learning and exam preparation platform for students in grades 4 to 6. We provide students with the tools, resources, and confidence they need to excel in PEP and pass for their top choice school. How does it all work? I'm more than happy to tell you. EduFocal offers live classes daily which cover all core PEP subject areas. Our expert PEP teachers are here to coach, support, and guide your child through their PEP journey every step of the way. Our teaching methods, bonus resources, and technology-powered classrooms are designed to increase every child's competence and confidence. Our homerooms and class schedules are designed to bring back the structure in their education that our students are used to and depend on to succeed. EduFocal goes beyond providing students with online classes. We take a holistic approach to preparing our students for success. When students need additional help, our teachers are available live after classes through our homework center. Ask questions, get additional one-on-one help with problem topics, or just check in on your child's progress. Our homework center is open weekly to provide each and every child with additional support they need to succeed. We know students aren't on this PEP journey alone. Our report cards allow you to always be in the know and track your child's progress. Report cards are updated after each assessment. This ensures that areas for improvement are identified and addressed immediately so that no child gets left behind. At EduFocal, we believe that learning doesn't end when classes do. We encourage our students to take control of their academic success and strive for greatness. When classes aren't in session, students have the opportunity to read ahead, sharpen their skills, or get extra practice with problem topics using the resources available in our Learning Lab. Through our Learning Lab, students have unlimited access to PEP prep resources like our PEP library, practice quizzes, timed tests, over 23,000 practice questions, video lesson tutorials, math problems and solutions, and so much more. At EduFocal, hard work pays off. We believe that learning should be fun and that students should be rewarded for their commitment to academic excellence. Students get to earn points, win amazing prizes, and compete against other PEP students across the island for a top spot on our leaderboard by completing practice questions, quizzes, and tests from our Learning Lab. Beyond healthy academic competition, the fun continues with live extracurricular activities. We believe in developing well-rounded students and providing exciting opportunities for our students to explore their passions outside of the classroom. With EduFocal, your child could discover a hidden talent or even teach you something new. Our live clubhouse provides a safe environment for students to enjoy extracurricular activities with classmates and fellow PEP students across the island. Every week, students have the opportunity to learn foreign languages, gain exposure to the arts and culture, participate in cool arts and crafts projects, and so much more. And finally, once they're all done turning up the PEP and turning up the fun, our students get to safely stay connected with classmates or make new friends with our instant messenger feature. Yes, we go beyond providing online lessons. EduFocal is fully committed to providing a complete online education experience that develops our students into well-rounded individuals prepared to not only succeed in their exams, but in life. We've been helping students pass for their top choice school since 2012 and have the results to prove it. Over 100,000 parents have trusted us to prep their children for PEP. Your child could be our next success story. What are you waiting for? Join us today.